You. Now today we are going to study about the second chapter, work and energy. Okay, and from that page number we will start today from page number 22. In this, no, some examples are there, so we will solve the examples. Now example number 1: calculate the work done to an object of mass 20 kg to a height of 10 meter. uh, Acceleration due to gravity g is given here, 9.8 meter per second square. Now given mass is given. Now mass of object is 20 kg, and this height means displacement. Okay, s is equal to 10 meter. Then acceleration due to gravity g is 9.8 meter per second square. As we know that f is equal to, this is the formula, f is equal to mass, actually f is equal to mass into a, we have seen, but here no, acceleration is due to gravity is there, so we are taking f is equal to m into g. So that will be m. What is m now? Mass. M is 20, so I have written 20 into g. G is 9.8, and why we have taken minus? Because that is the displacement is in opposite direction. Okay, the displacement is in the opposite direction to the force, so that we have taken. So f is equal to, if you multiply this 20 into 9.8, so we will get minus 196, and that force, the unit of force is Newton. Okay, so force we got minus 196 Newton. Okay, now work we have to find. They are asking to find calculate the work done. Okay, so we know that work W is equal to F into S. Okay, so what is F? F we got. Now S is displacement. Okay, so already we know that S is nothing but 10 meter. So we will now put these values. Now F is nothing but minus 96 into, now S is 10 meter. So you multiply this, so we will get W work is equal to minus 1960. Okay, if you multiply you will get, and work is nothing but in calculated in joule. Okay, now the we got this. Now work done is, the negative sign appears because the direction of force is opposite to the direction of displacement, so that the work done is negative. So we got the work in a negative value. Okay, now next example, Praveen has applied a force of 100 Newton on an object at an angle of 60 degree. So while pulling that object, the one angle has been made 60 degree. Okay, to the horizontal. The object get displaced in the horizontal direction, and 400 joule work is done. What is the displacement of the object? So we will find S. Okay, cos theta, of the value of cos theta is given, cos 60 is given, 1/2 upon 2. Now as you see here, so I will show you in the better manner. Now see here, force is given in that example for 100 Newton, then W is given 400 joule, cos theta is half 1/2, S we have to find. Actually we have seen the formula for work is F into S into cos theta. So W is, now we will put the values. W is nothing but 400 as we have. Then F, what is F? 100 into S. Okay, we have to find S into cos, the value of cos theta is 1/2. Okay, now just what I will do now, some changes we will do. So 400 I have written as it is. Okay, now this 100 I have written upon in denominator. Okay, so 400 upon 100 is equal to S into 1/2. Okay, so if you simplify this 100, 100 ones are and 400. Okay, so can I write this as 4/1 is equal to S into 1/2 as it is. Okay, now cross multiplication. Okay, 4, now it will go in this, so into 2 is equal to S. Okay, so 4 2s are 8 is equal to S. Okay, and I write this S is equal to 8. Okay, and actually we know that displacement is measured in meter. Okay, so S is nothing but 8 meter, so we got this value. Okay, S is equal to 8 meter. Now Now come to this next topic is that is energy. Okay, why does it happen? Some examples are given about energy. First one, if a pot having a plant is kept in the dark. Okay, if the pot is having the plant is kept in the dark, the plant languishes. It becomes weak. Okay, languish means weak, becomes weak. Now second, on increasing the volume of a music system or TV beyond a limit, the vessels in the house start vibrating. So if there is a huge volume of music system now, so the vessels in the house start vibrating. Then third, collecting sunlight on a paper with the help of convex lens burns the paper. So generally this experiment is or experience we are having when we are keeping the paper, one glass convex lens glass on the paper. So when at certain point the paper start burning. The capacity of a body to perform work is called its energy. The unit of work and energy are the same. The unit in SI system is joule, while that in CGS system is erg. You have learned that energy exists in various forms like mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electromagnetic energy, chemical energy, nuclear and solar energy. So in this chapter we are going to study two forms of mechanical energy, and that is potential energy and kinetic energy. We will see first one, what is kinetic energy. Now, some examples are there of this kinetic energy. What will happen in the following cases? First one, a fast cricket ball strikes the stumps. Okay, a fast cricket ball strike the stumps. The striker hits a coin on the carom board. And the third, one marble strikes another in a game of marble. So from the above examples, we understand that when a moving object strikes a stationary object, the stationary object moves. So what is there in this? So when a moving object strikes a stationary, or stationary means a object which is at rest. So the object which is at rest start moving. So thus the moving object has some energy. So what that the moving object has some energy, part or all of which it shares with the stationary object. Whatever energy is stored in that moving object, it shares with the stationary object, thereby setting it in motion. So the energy which an object has because of its motion is called its kinetic energy. So what is the definition of kinetic energy? The energy which an object has because of its motion is called its kinetic energy. The work done by a force to displace a stationary object through a distance s is the kinetic energy gained by the object. So we can write kinetic energy is nothing but work done on the object. So can I write this kinetic energy Ke is nothing but what is work done? Force into displacement. So force into S. So this is the formula for kinetic energy. Okay, thank you.